Hello guys, this is Set to Achieve. Welcome to yet another video. Please, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video because that spreads it out to more people, and share, okay? Also leave your comments, okay? Your comments, are great for the algorithm, and also, they're inspiring to me, and, they also help to help the general community, okay? So the title of today's video is Grow Your Means, okay? And what do I mean by this? We know that in today's economy, there's a lot of things going on with inflation, inflated costs of renting and mortgages, food and gas prices, and just like the overall cost of living is high. So a lot of people are going through a lot, and we know that there is a lot of downsizing going on. Downsizing meaning that people are going from, maybe a single family home to an apartment. People are going from an apartment to maybe going back to living with their parents. A lot of young people are living out of college, barely finding jobs, and even with the student loans and everything that is basically crunching their lives away because, if you can't pay it on time, or you can't pay it fast enough, or that affects your credit scores, and a lot of people are really going through, okay? And the natural way to go about things for a lot of people would be to live below your means and to downgrade. But today I'm here to say, grow your means, okay? I'm gonna tell you my story, okay? Because that way you can understand where I'm coming from, okay? So I became a nurse in 2011, okay? I was a nurse for several years, and mind you, I became, what is the word I'm looking for? Tired, frustrated, burnt out, about even like 3 months after I became a nurse, a registered nurse, by the way. And I was going through a lot of frustrations. My mental health was going down rapidly. I was very frustrated, and I could see that the people around me were unhappy, okay? The people around me were unhappy. So I said to myself, do I want to continue living my life this way just to please the people around me, my family members, or do I want to go ahead and do me, okay, and do what I think is best for me? Okay, so I dropped nursing. I stopped looking for work as a nurse. I kept my license active just because, I could. It didn't take much to do that. As at least I already had acquired it. But I didn't want to continue to work as a nurse. Okay, I wanted to be able to do things that I felt my spirit was leading me to do. I've always been creative. I've always been entrepreneurial in nature. Fast forward to today, I'm an independent contractor. I'm a business owner. I own several businesses that I run. I have time freedom. I have more financial freedom. I have basically just like, I have the life that I've always wanted, okay, that I never would have gotten by staying as a nurse, just staying stuck, working in some facility or hospital or doing home health. And for a lot of times, the thing that was mostly very saddening for me was the fact that people are always looking to, point fingers at you, family members, what was not done, what could have been done differently, and things like that. Not just like, being accountable generally, just like people looking, especially like other nurses and things like that, looking for people to shift blame, and everything, and the cutthroatness of it, okay? But that aside, now I'm able to be myself. I'm able to inspire people all over the world to do what it is that I'm doing and to pursue their dreams, whatever that may be, okay? So what did that take? First and foremost, that took courage, okay? The courage to say that, you know what, I'm not where I need to be, but it's gonna take me believing in myself to get there, okay? It's gonna take me working hard and putting forth one foot in front of the other, okay? Taking action, not being afraid to fail, because it's like, I already feel like I failed anyway because I'm unhappy, so what would taking some steps towards what I actually really want, if it doesn't quite work out, I can try it another way, but one thing that I'm not going to do is ever give up, right? And that is the attitude and that is the mindset that I try to encourage people to have, in terms of growing your means, in terms of getting away from where you are and getting to the next level. You have to be able to have faith, believe in yourself, and start taking action, the right kind of action, okay? So when I quit nursing, I went back to doing hair. I started doing braids when I was younger, like even before I became a teenager. I was doing for my sister. I was doing for a few people. And even fast forward to today, I still do braids. As a matter of fact, I have a hair customer that I'm going to attend. It's still like 8 something in the morning. Okay, so I still do that. Like I told you, I run several businesses. I'm a mobile braider. I don't have a shop. I don't have. So I'm pretty much location independent because I can be anywhere. I can be in Tinley Park. I can be anywhere. Okay, here in Illinois, but I mostly stick to the south suburbs, and working as an independent contractor, I work with different delivery apps. I work with, catering apps. I work with food delivery apps. I work with, medications and packages and different things. So I mix it all together to be able to, on a good day, if I don't have a hair customer and I'm also a notary. Okay. So I run a notary business and just recently I added a moving business. Okay. So I have several businesses, including being an independent contractor. So I added a moving business, that I don't, move anybody myself, but I have, I'm basically a broker. So I get the jobs, I lock in a deposit, and I'm able to connect with other business owners that need the work, and I send it to them. I just keep the deposit, like basically a commission for finding that customer. So I do all these different things because I knew that in order for me to break out of the 9 to 5 or 7 to 3, in healthcare, 7 to 3, 3 to 11 shift, and 11 to 7. But in order for me to break out of that mindset, I had to grow my means. I had to believe in myself, and I had to walk by faith. Okay, so I wasn't always where I am right now, but I had to grow to where I am with confidence and, taking action. Another thing I do is I'm always very, very proactive in terms of taking courses. I believe that if you want to get to the places that the people that you aspire to be, like, maybe financially or spiritually or whatever, are, it's important to be open to mentoring or coaching or courses, so for a lot of things, I've taken courses. Okay. I took the blueprint, with Legendary Marketer, which was 2,500. This was like I think it was 2022, about 2 years ago. Now, yeah, about 2 years ago, I took Legendary Marketer. I paid 2,500 for the blueprint, teaching me how to use sales funnels, social media, and all those different avenues and social links and things like that to be able to draw customers and leads to my offers. Okay, so I'm a strong believer in digital marketing, and as you can see, I'm in front of you. This is digital marketing. Digital marketing is simply connecting with people all over the world, and finding that, because everybody's not your customer, and that's fine. Okay, but finding that perfect person, okay, that relates to exactly what it is that you're going through, what it is that your message is, your content, okay, and when they find what it is that you have to offer, and they love it, and they are perfectly motivated, okay, maybe by life circumstances or whatever the case may be, they will purchase. Okay, so learning digital marketing as a tool was something that was really important to me. I also purchased other courses, over time, even after Legendary Marketer. And the one I'm currently promoting is called Simply Passive. Teaches you how to use social media and in the Stand Store, Canva, to promote your digital products and promote it to your, perfect audience, customer, your target audience, and to be able to promote it and sell. So I have that in my Stand Store. I'm going to leave the link to my Stand Store, which has my course or my guide that teaches people how to use apps, I have 72 different apps that I have in the guide, including strategies that I use to be successful and things like that. And then the mindset shift from a from a 9 to 5er, or for a job type mindset, employee mindset, to a CEO like I am today. What it took. Okay, so the right kind of mindset is really important. Okay, so that being said, I have that all in my Stan store. Okay, so I will leave the link, so when you click on either one, Simply Passive is there as well. I believe it's very affordable compared to like Legendary Market. I told you I paid $2,500. So I believe in definitely investing in yourself. I believe if you're anywhere in the world, you can be able to promote your products and offers, and give it out to people that need it, and earn, right. So you can earn money from wherever you are. You don't have to trade time for money to earn. Okay, so I believe in all those things, and I definitely believe in investing in yourself to grow your means. Okay, investing maybe some time, maybe education, whatever it is, and just acquiring that knowledge, and then not just acquiring the knowledge, taking the steps and the actions that the knowledge that you have acquired require. Okay, because just getting the knowledge and just sitting on it is not enough. Okay, we can see in today's economy, and we can see a lot of things that have gone on in terms of large companies letting go of employees within a drop of a dime. And it's very sad because these employees didn't see it coming, but I'm putting this out here to you today so that you can see it coming and be prepared. Okay, don't wait for the ball to drop to take the actions, the right kind of actions to help your family. If you're dependent on a 9 to 5 or 2 to 11 or 7 to 3 or whatever shift that you're working, you're depending on somebody else to put food on your table, and that same person or entity or organization is the same one that feeds your family, puts gas in your car, pays your mortgage, your utilities, and your car payments. That is too much leverage. Okay, that is too much. Okay, so it's time for us to take action and try to break out of the status quo, do better, be better, so we can have better. Okay, the time is now. Okay, so that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something from it. If you did, leave your comments. You can. I will leave the link. Like I said, to my Stan store, so you can go ahead and get my guide. Or if you want to start digital marketing for beginners with Simply Passive, go ahead and get started. Okay, because if you don't take the steps that you need today, then you're going to be in the same place tomorrow, okay? And which is not the ideal, okay? So thank you for watching. Again, like, subscribe, share, leave your comments, and until next time, peace.